What's up everyone? My name's Chase. We're here at the barbecue pit stop and today we're gonna be making cheesy chicken bacon bombs. We're gonna start out with some chicken tenders, pepper jack cheese, some thick cut smoked hickory bacon, as well as Kendrick's Pecanary barbecue rub, which he did a collaboration with Whiskey Bent and it is to die for. We're gonna start out by just taking that Whiskey Bent Pecanary rub and we're just gonna go over our chicken tenders and we're gonna season them all up. We wanna make sure we get that nice Pecanary flavor all over there. With Pecanary, you want to go a little heavy to really get that great flavor. I love this rub because it's great for pork and chicken. And today, since we're doing bacon wrapped over those chicken tenders, that Pecanary really just pairs well with both of the cuts of meat that we're using. We're going to season up both sides and really get a ton of flavor all over that. All right, now that we have those chicken tenders all seasoned up with the Pecanary rub, we're gonna take the pepper jack that we just cut it right into thirds. We're gonna put it right over that chicken tender and we're gonna take our thick cut bacon. We're gonna start out on one end and we're just gonna wrap right around that chicken tender like so. Just making sure to cover all that chicken tender with the bacon. Put it down and that's all we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the rest of these chicken tenders and we'll be right back. All right, so we have these chicken tenders all wrapped up. Now what I like to do is I like to take this Pecanary and I'm just gonna season over the top of that bacon really quick just to add a little extra flavor and to really get a nice crisp bacon. Now I love this for parties because it's only about a 25-minute cook. So we're gonna go down to our Traeger. We have it set to 375. We're gonna throw them right on and we're gonna wait about 20 to 25 minutes to go check on them. We're out here at our Traeger Ironwood 885. It's been preheated to 375 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. And we're gonna take those chicken tenders that we wrapped and we're just gonna throw them directly on the rack. It's important to try to keep a tight wrap while you go, not let that bacon come out too much. And we're just gonna let these cook for just about 20 to 25 minutes. So it's been about 25 minutes. Our smoker's been sitting right about 375 degrees. We're gonna come in here and look at those bacon bombs. Now you can see that bacon starting to crispen up, so we're gonna take our Thermopop 2, come in here, and we're actually just gonna go in and we're gonna temp one of these. And as soon as it hits 165, we know we're good. We're good on that guy. Looks like we're all finished. We're gonna bring these into the studio and we're gonna eat. So we brought these chicken tenders up to an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Our bacon is nice and crispy, and that's how you make a cheesy chicken bacon bomb. Easy, simple, and delicious.